Okay, how's everybody doing today? My name is Louis with Money Machine Lifestyle. Guys, I'm going to show you guys how to generate income the same way I'm generating income. Okay, guys, I'm with 4 programs. Okay, and all the programs that I do, I advertise by doing postcards. By postcards, guys, it's 35 cents a stamp. Okay, I generate income. Guys, I'm generating income, guys. Okay. This program you guys got in front of you is called Prosperity People System. Guys, the program starts is a high ticket program actually. It's from $5,000 all the way to $11,000. Okay, just with 10 people. 10 people, guys, paying you $500. That's $5,000 a month. Okay, so you imagine you get 20 people. You know what can that do for you? Okay, all right, guys, look. I'm generating income, okay, at 452, that's one lead, 527, that's another lead, 618, that's another lead. Guys, I'm generating a lot of leads for this program. Why? Because instant postcard, the postcards, okay. The other program I have in here is called Instant Postcard Wealth. Guys, I generate $98 with this program per person. Okay, 10 people that joins you on this program is almost $1,000. 20, almost $2,000. Guys, what is that going to do for you? It's going to change your life. You know, I have 2 other programs. Okay, I do all the training. I'm building a training website. Hopefully, it should be done tomorrow, so I can show you guys what is it that I do. Okay, YouTube advertisement, how to put up a YouTube video, how to do marketing online, marketing offline. Facebook group posting, it's a lot of stuff that I have there. I'm gonna show you how to make these postcards, guys. I pay $35 for these postcards. Okay, I go to Staples and I pay $35 for these postcards. Okay, and it's 1,000 postcards. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to put the letters, the words on the postcards. Okay, stamps are 35 cents. 35 cents, guys, and you generate an income. Guys, right now is the best time for you to do something, because the way things looking is going to get harder and harder. Right now it's time to build your foundation. Make your money here. Okay, once you make your money or whatever, you generate a little bit of income, you could go and do something else. Okay, all right, but start generating income from a system. Try to make money. Making money, guys, that's the whole thing. Knowledge. Once you start your business, gotta stay consistent with every program that you have. Any program, you have to be consistent. Guys, there's money to be made right now. A lot of people are trying to find a way to make money. Guys, I get leads. Okay, these are the leads for my postcards. These are people already raising their hands saying, hey, show me something. I want to see what you guys are doing. I want to make money from home. Guys, it's simple. Okay, with the training that I'm doing, I'm going to teach you guys to do everything. I'm here to help you guys out. Okay, I'm not going to leave you by yourself. I want to help you guys out, because when I started a business, when I started doing something, I was by myself. Okay, I learned everything by myself. I was self-taught. Okay, but I want to teach you guys, okay, to do the same thing I'm doing, because if I'm doing generating income, I want you guys to do the same thing too. Okay, guys, make sure you guys make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Okay, write a comment below. I'm gonna leave all the information at the bottom. Okay, hit me up. Okay, call me on my cell phone or text me. Okay, I should have this website, my training website, done by tomorrow. Hopefully, I pray to God, hopefully, it's done by tomorrow. Guys, you guys have a blessed day. Enjoy your weekend. Make sure you guys be safe out there. Okay, God bless.